Hi guys, welcome to another video. In today's video is a subscriber request. So one of my subscribers sent me a DM on Instagram showing me this design and said, I think this is right up your street. So I thought I'd give it a shot. So I'm doing 3 nails in this GDCOCO white gel polish. It's 820A. It's a really nice consistency. It's quite thick, but it doesn't wrinkle or anything in the lamp. It's really opaque as well. So I've done 3 nails in that, and now I'm doing this nail in the Modelones brown, and that's called Santa's Mousse. So I've popped that in the lamp to cure, and now I'm just making a lighter shade of brown by mixing that Modelones brown and a Coscelia number 19, which is that nude colour. And now I'm using that to paint the Gingerbread Man. Now if I was to do this again, what I would have done was I would have done it the same colour as that nail that I did. So I'd have gone in and done a coat of the brown first, and then I would have gone over with this colour that I've made myself on the second coat, because now this Gingerbread Man's slightly lighter than that nail, but it still looked alright anyway. But like I say, if I was to do it again, I would have done the brown first, and then the second coat I would have done with this colour. So once I've painted this Gingerbread Man, I'm going to pop it in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds, and then off camera I did another coat using that same colour. Now I'm using the Naio Nails Urban Graffiti Ultra Matte Top Coat, and I'm doing a coat of that on the pinky nail and the index nail. And then I'll pop that in the lamp to cure for 30 seconds. Now that Gingerbread Man's all cured, I'm going to be applying some of these Louis Vuitton stickers. I'm just going to show you me applying a few of these, and then I shall do the rest off camera, because there's quite a lot going on this set, so I didn't want this video to get too long for you guys. On the ring finger now, I'm applying some of them slightly larger stickers. I'm just going to apply them to the whole of the nail. Now I'm just adding some detail to that Gingerbread Man. So I'm going to give him 2 eyes and a mouth, and some zigzags where his arms and legs are. And to do that, I'm using the Francheska Japanese art gel paint. I did do the eyes and the mouth with a white gel polish, but it wasn't very bright, so yeah, I've decided to use the gel paint to do this. Then once I'm happy with all that, I shall pop that in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. Now I'm applying the Ultra Matte Top Coat to the ring finger and the Gingerbread Man nail. And then I can pop them in the lamp to cure for 30 seconds. And now I'm doing the drips on this nail. So I'm going to be using that Francheska Japanese art gel paint again to do this, and a detailer brush. And I'm going to be painting around that cuticle area first. And then once I've got around the cuticle area and I'm happy with that, then I should do the drips. And I'll just do a fine line for the drips to start with, just mapping it out. Then once I've mapped it all out and I'm happy with it, I can then go in and thicken them up. And then once I've thickened them up, then you need to join them. But when you join them, you need to make sure that they are like arched. You want to create like an arched effect, so it looks like it's glooping down. But you'll see what I mean in a minute when I come to do that bit. Another thing I like about this gel paint as well, it doesn't cure with a sticky layer. So once I've pulled it out the lamp, I haven't then got to go over with a top coat. I can pull it out the lamp and it's good to go. I really like the contrast as well of them shiny drips on that matte background. So that's why I went in with that matte top coat before doing these drips. But not only that, I find it easier to do artwork on a matte surface anyway, rather than a shiny. This is what I mean about when you join the drips. They need to have like an arch effect, so it looks like it's glooping downwards. So I've got them where I want them, so now I'm going to pop that in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. This is the middle nail, and I'm going to be doing 2 red snowflakes on this nail. So I'm going to do one at the top and one at the bottom. There's so many different ways that you can do snowflakes. There is no right or wrong way of doing them either, so you can just use your imagination and go with the flow. Now I'm going to be sprinkling some glitter into these snowflakes, so I can't flash cure this, which if I wasn't sprinkling glitter into it, like every little section that I did, once I'm happy with it, I would flash cure it in the lamp for 10 seconds. But obviously, because I'm sprinkling the glitter into that uncured gel polish, I can't flash cure this as I go, so I'm having to be really careful that I don't knock it. I've only recorded me doing this one snowflake. I did the other one off camera because, like I said earlier, I didn't want this video to get too long. So I shall let you get on and watch this bit, and I shall pop back in once it's done. Now that's the snowflake all painted, and now I'm going to sprinkle some of this gorgeous red holographic glitter that Helen sent me. I'm going to sprinkle that into the uncured gel polish, and then I'll cure it in the lamp for 60 seconds. And now we're on to the final nail, which is the pinky nail. And I'm going to be doing a candy cane design on this nail. So I'm going to be doing a thick red line there, and then either side of that thick red line I'm going to be doing a thin line either side, and I'm going to do that going all the way down the nail. wanted to sprinkle some glitter into this, on top of this red gel polish, but I only wanted the glitter to be on the thick red lines, not the thin ones. So because I've cured that in the lamp, I'm now going over with a non-wipe top coat, and I'm just going to put that on them thick red lines, and then I'm going to sprinkle that red holographic glitter into that uncured top coat. And then once I've sprinkled that in, I'm going to pop it in the lamp for 60 seconds, and that will hold that all in place. Then that'll be the set complete. So I really hope you like them. If you do, please give the video a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, I'd love it if you would. Don't forget to hit the little notification bell, that way you'll never miss an upload. And I hope to see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.